Hey there, fellow organizers. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create a calendar in Smartsheet for 2025. If you're juggling projects, events, or deadlines, Smartsheet is your go-to tool for turning chaotic schedules into sleek, manageable calendars. It's like a supercharged spreadsheet that helps you visualize your year ahead. Let's dive right in and get you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. If you don't have one, sign up for free. It's straightforward and perfect for teams or individuals. Once you're in, head to the dashboard and click on Create in the top left corner. From there, select Sheet to start from scratch or browse the templates library for a ready-made calendar template. Smartsheet has updated options for 2025, including enhanced date formatting and automation features, so look for the latest versions. Now, let's build your calendar. In your new sheet, set up your columns. For a basic calendar, you'll need at least 3. One for date, another for event description, and maybe one for status to track progress. Smartsheet makes this easy. Simply click on the column header and choose the data type, like date, for automatic formatting. To turn this into a visual calendar, go to the Views menu and select Calendar View. This 2025 update allows for more customization, such as color coding events or setting recurring items. Next, start adding your data. Enter your dates and details directly into the rows. For example, if you're planning a project timeline, input key milestones like Q1 Review on January 15, 2025. Don't forget to use Smartsheet's formulas for dynamic elements, like auto-calculating deadlines. Once everything's in place, hit Save and explore sharing options. You can invite collaborators via email, set permissions, and even link it to other tools like Google Calendar for seamless integration. One pro tip for 2025. Use the new AI-assisted features in Smartsheet to suggest optimal dates based on your inputs. It saves tons of time. And there you have it, a fully functional calendar tailored to your needs. This setup will keep you organized and ahead of the game. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.